Welcome back for another episode of balloon tutorial video. So for today's video, we are going to make another balloon bouquet or a balloon marquee and for a Peppa Pig theme. So yeah, before we go ahead guys, I would like to invite you to follow us on Instagram. It's at alysons.partyballoons, and through our Facebook page, it's at Alyson's Party Balloons. So yeah, let's go ahead and check out the supplies that we'll be using for this video. Okay, so first I am going to inflate this 12 inches latex balloons in 9 to 10 inches size. Our base, 3 sets of this, the 10 inches in size, 6 inches in size. I will be making 2 sets of this quad, and then for the 5 inches, I inflated this with about 2 to 3 inches in size. I will be making 2 sets of this quad as well. So now that we have inflated most of our balloons, so we are going to do our base. So first, I'm gonna grab my first bigger cluster. I'm going to tie my yarn to my first cluster. There, and then I'll go grab my second cluster, the smaller cluster. And then I'll just tie it and make a figure 8 to secure both clusters. There. And then I will be attaching this smaller, the 5 inches one, on the end of my base. And then again, I'm just going to tie. Then I'll proceed to the next clusters. Okay guys, so now we have this initial look of our base. Now I am going to add my water weight. So let's do that first. And then I will tie it to an extra neck of any balloon that you can grab. Just to make sure that your water weight is secured on your base. Okay, so this is our final look of our Peppa Pig balloon bouquet. So as always, if you follow my previous balloon bouquet videos, I always like to add this round foil balloon together with this balloon bunch in helium filled. So yeah, those are just to accent the entire arrangement. Please follow us on our Instagram for more balloon designs. It's at alysons.partyballoons, and on our Facebook page, it's at Alyson's Party Balloons. Yeah, so if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more balloon videos. Bye! See you guys on our next video.